I'm going to walk you through a few tips and tricks here that might help you out in selecting the right watch for your watch enthusiast. But be forewarned, it's tough. We are a finicky bunch. We pore over all of the details. We might appreciate one color and hate another color even though the watches look exactly the same. You never know why we love one watch over another because we never know how to actually explain it to anybody. So if you insist on buying a watch enthusiast a watch, take some advice from a watch enthusiast who has been successfully gifted a watch not once, but twice, because here are 3 tips that are going to help you buy a watch for your watch enthusiast. First and foremost, if they are interested in a specific watch, that's the watch that they're interested. In watch collecting, dupes do not exist. These are not Lululemon leggings. You are not going to find a dupe on Amazon that will suffice. If we are looking at a Daytona, you are not going to gift someone a Pagani Designs and they're going to love it just as much as they will love the Daytona. They're still going to hunt that specific watch down. Now they might appreciate it and they might wear it and they might love it and tell you that they love it, but in the back of their head, they still want that Daytona. Number 2, look for patterns. Stare at their watch collection, look in their box. If it is full of black dial watches, go for a black dial watch. If it's full of divers, stick with divers. If it is full of leather strap options, stick with leather strap options. We tend to collect in patterns for a reason, and if we're not breaking out of those patterns, you probably shouldn't either. And number 3, classics are always appreciated, but not always the most exciting. Now you've probably heard the old adage of you can't go wrong with the classics like the Casio F91W or the G-Shock DW5600. But I'm willing to bet that if they haven't purchased them by now, there's probably a reason, as these affordable options are ones that people tend to pick up early on in their collecting journey. And as a bonus number 4, forget the other 3 and follow your heart. Because if you buy us the ugliest watch that doesn't fit in the collection and is some weird Invicta that you found sitting on the shelf at Goodwill that still smells like whatever that weird smell that never leaves a Goodwill item does, we're still going to throw it on once a year and love that watch to death. And every time we look at it, we're going to remember you. We're going to remember that day that you gifted it to us. And we're going to appreciate it no matter what because you took the time to understand our weird hobby that nobody else understands because why would you? We are collecting watches that really at the end of the day, we don't need anymore because we can check the time on our phones, on our laptops, on anything else. This is a strange hobby that for some reason you're trying to understand and we appreciate you. So thank you for trying to appreciate our hobby.